Hello guys, this is Expeditious Cuba here and I'm back with a new video. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to solve Rubik's Cube in a simulator. So yeah, let's begin. Guys, as you can see this is a 3x3 Rubik's Cube and today I'm going to show you how can I solve it with a simulator. So yeah, let's start. Okay. So guys, now I'm making the F12 pairs. So, okay, this is a blue and orange piece. And actually guys, I can solve, like, if simulator, it would, like, whenever I'm turning the cube, it feels a bit problem while, like, placing it because it's a simulator. But now let's see how can I solve it. So, a red and green piece and a blue and orange one. Okay, I'm searching the red and green piece. This is the edge. And I flipped those pieces behind the blue and orange. And this red and green piece. Okay. I turn the cube. Blue or orange. Corner piece. And it is very hard to move each layer. Each turn actually. If it would be a normal 3x3, I can solve quite fast. Less than 20 seconds. Okay. Red and green piece, I think I made this red and green and it is done. Yes. I made a red and green pair. I now see a blue and orange one which is only left. So let's see. Ooh. To just like move each layer took a lot time. Just see. But guys, as you can see, while I just want to turn it up, but it is not turning because I think simulator is not too good. However, in the end of the video it will be solved. CFOP is quite difficult in simulator actually. Okay, blue and orange. Actually in this case I can just do a R prime, then U and then U prime R2 and it can make this pair, but simulator not sure. Or I can just do an R prime, U2 and R and then U2 and then like R prime and then just F. Oh, I'm turning the middle layer. Just a huge problem. I'm turning two layers and I made this pair. Blue and orange pair. Turning so slow actually. And oh, I'm missing it. Okay, just see. Yes, I done the F12 done. And now I'm doing the cross. FRU, R prime, U prime and F prime. Okay. F. Sometimes E layer also moves. R. U. Okay, by mistake U2, but U. And again I can just do a U prime. Oh, so big problem. Oh, I missed it. This simulator is so frustrating, yaar. I missed that F12 pair. Again, I have to make it. This layer is too rusty. It is not moving at a good time. But my mouse is as fast. Okay, pairing it. And yes, I have going to make the pair, and it is made. Again, I got a line, so I have to again do a FI, U, A prime, U prime, F prime to make the cross. Actually, just to do one turn, it took a lot of time in simulator. And I would do a practice on it because it actually takes a bit more time than it should not be. U, okay, A prime, U prime, oh U2 again. Just I want to do a U, but it happens with U2. A prime, oh see again R2, R, U, U2, again U, finally, and then A prime. Finally, the cross is made. And now I'm doing the OLL. I'm just checking the D layers, can they move, or because I want to do it with beginners method as well. So later I will try with beginners, and now I'm just trying with OLL. So 7 minutes passed. Let's see how much more time it will take to finally solve this cube. Okay, U prime, R, U, A prime, U, okay, R, U2, oh, these layers sometimes feel too rusty, but sometimes I feel like they're too slippery. Oh, finally PLL. Okay, R2, U. Oh, I don't want to miss it. R, U. Oh no, U2. Okay. R prime. Oh no. U prime. Oh, this layer is too. Oh no. Oh no, I'm messing it. I'm messing this. Oh, I messed. Oh no. This is the most sad moment. Just I can do an algorithm and it would be solved, but I just missed that. Again I have to do the F12, and again it will take a long time. Oh no, yeah. Okay, I'm making the pair, and let's see, there's a pair make, and when trying M layers, actually by mistake I think M layers just move automatically simulator. Okay, I'm making this pair, and I can make it bit more fast in 3x3. This simulated just two layers are too free actually. Now I should tell the designer of this cube that you have made the cube very slippery. Actually, I think my mouse is rotating very fast in this cube because just see the layers are not actually aligned. But in a regular 3x3, you can just solve it much faster than in simulator. Okay. Again algorithms, and now I think I should do it with beginner's method because CFOP is very frustrating in this simulator. It is good in normal 3x3, but it is very frustrating in simulator because not in all simulators guys, but in this simulator it is very frustrating. But imagine solving big cubes in simulator, how much time it will take. For example, solving 5x5, 6x6, 7x7, 8x8 took very long time to solve in simulator. That's not just solving a 3x3. I not tried 2x2, but 3x3 I think it is interesting. So yeah. But I've seen in videos that some people solve 23x23 simulator. Some even solve 27x27. Some solve 19x19. However, 19x19 is also exist. You can solve that way also, but simulator actually your eyes get a lot of pain if you solve it for a long time. So okay, I'm doing this pair and I think I've done it. Yes, I've done it. Okay, finally. This pair I've made. And I'm doing it with, I think I'm doing it with beginners. Again, I'm trying the D layers. It is looking like a Rubik's band actually. Like if I have a Rubik's band, it will not take 17 minutes. It can take a minute or maybe 40 seconds. But this is taking a bit time, lot of time actually. 17 minutes. By this way I can solve a 7x7 or 8x8. It is taking a bit more time than expected. I expected it to be less than 7 minutes, but it's taking a bit longer time. I expected 7 minutes to 12 minutes, but 14 minutes have been passed. Oh yes, I'm trying it with beginner's method. Okay, R prime D prime R D R prime again R D prime R D. So this corner is oriented and R prime D prime R D 4 times again. 15 minutes have passed. I still have not tried 2x2 simulator, but I will try it once I will complete this 3x3. Okay, these layers are too free actually. It is very loose. So now I think this cube is going to complete. Yes, it is going to be completed, and just a bit. Okay, and I think it's completed. The last move, and guys, you can see the cube is completed. It took a very long time, but I am happy because first time I've solved this in simulator. So you can see whole cube is solved. Every side blue, orange, green, yellow, red, white. Every single color has been solved in the simulator. So as you can see, and actually I think if I can do much practice and my mouse can be much better, I can go much better in it. But still I think it's a good one. So it's actually the site is known as Cube Timer. You can solve cubes there. Big cubes from 2x2 to 11x11. So guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and see my new videos.